Let's make some healthy chocolate frosting. Yes, this is chocolate frosting that's actually good for you, and look at how delicious that is. So here's all our ingredients. I'm going to show you all the ingredients, and all we have to do is pretty much blend them together. So we're going to start with half a cup of peanut butter, all natural peanut butter, unsalted, because that's what my dog likes. That's what's healthy for her. She gets to maybe lick the spoon after. And then next we're going to add a 1/4 cup of cacao powder. You want to get high quality organic cacao powder. Look at all the benefits, the health benefits of eating this. Like, it's so good for you, and it's so delicious. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm Canadian, so we take our maple syrup really seriously. Make sure that is pure 100% maple syrup. And then we're going to add in a couple tablespoons of plant milk, 4 to 5. We can adjust this according to the thickness that we want that. I used almond, but you can use whatever. And then we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, 100% pure. It's so healthy for you when you get the good quality vanilla. So we're going to dump everything in. I actually like to dump my cacao powder in first, just because it always creates such a powdery, puffy, smoky mess. I like to put it in the bottom and kind of cover it down with all the other ingredients so that it's, kind of pushes it down a little bit in the container. That's just my preference. And then I'm adding in, my peanut butter, my vanilla extract, and my almond milk, and my maple syrup, and all that stuff. And then I'm going to place the lid on my food processor. Now, a high-powered blender would work as well. And I'm just going to turn that on and let that blend up. So you can see that's blending up really nicely there. We're getting a nice consistency. You can see even the powder from that cacao powder kind of misting in the back. I'm going to crank it up to number 2 and just really get that going. Now, it looks just a little bit too thick compared to what I'm wanting it for. So I'm going to add another tablespoon or 2 of plant milk, and I'm going to use my spatula to clean down the sides. See how thick it is? But once that almond milk starts mixing in, it's going to thin it out a little. So you can adjust it to whatever consistency it is that you want for this healthy chocolate frosting. And then I'm just gonna take the lid off just like that. You just mix it together and you have this delicious chocolate frosting. So check the consistency, make sure it's what you want. You can always thin it out a little bit if you want to. But there is that chocolate frosting. Now, chocolate frosting you can use on so many different things. I'm just going to put that out into a bowl and swirl that deliciousness around. You can just eat it straight out of the fridge if you want to. I'm not judging. It's healthy. It's delicious. In this case, I was actually going to use it to throw on a snickerdoodle oatmeal bake. So I used that as the top, but I'm going to get my official taste tester to test this out now. Can we just take a moment to look at how happy my husband is and how mad my dog is because she can't eat chocolate? Chef's kiss. There it is. If you like this, hit the like and subscribe below.